in the marketplace, they'll see a lot of cast iron that will break. You'll see it on a lot of these imports, iron from China or India that's cast really thin, and there's a way they get that casting to pour. And the way they do it is they cheapen up the ingredients of it. All of our components are made of a proprietary blend that I can't tell you what's in it, but I can make a little comparison. So if you're driving an 18-wheeler, it's got 700 horsepower on it, and this just poured out of cast iron, that's pretty good. But if you use this proprietary blend that we're talking about, and then you turbocharge that same engine, you can get 1,200 horsepower out of that same engine block just by changing what's in the iron. And that's what we're specialists at. We fine-tune the recipe to where we get maximum results. It's tested in the lab. Every time we run a lot, we stand behind what we make. So we have a lifetime warranty. All of our cast iron components come with a lifetime warranty, and you get to pick the lifetime because this product's going to outlive you.